Biodiversity and conservation of communities. Biodiversity refers to variety of life on Earth, including the diversity of species, genetic diversity within species, and the diversity of ecosystems. Biodiversity is important because it provides ecosystem services such as nutrient cycling, pollination, and climate regulation, and support human well-being through the provision of food, medicine, and other resources. Communities play a critical role in supporting biodiversity as they are the assemblage of species that interact with one another with an ecosystem. However, human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are leading to a loss of biodiversity and decline in community health and function. Conservation of communities involves protecting and restoring biodiversity of ecosystems and ensuring that they continue to provide ecosystem services. This can be achieved through a variety of strategies such as Number 1. Protected areas. Protected areas such as national park and nature reserves provide important habitat for biodiversity and can help to prevent habitat destruction and degradation. Protected areas can help to promote tourism and provide economic benefits to local communities. Number 2. Habitat restoration. Restoring degraded habitat can help to increase the diversity and abundance of species and can promote the recovery of ecosystem function. Number 3. Sustainable land use. Mapping land use practices such as agriculture and forestry in a sustainable manner can help to reduce negative impacts on biodiversity and promote the conservation of ecosystems. Number 4. Invasive species management. Invasive species management can have negative impacts on native species and can alter ecosystem function. Managing invasive species can help to reduce these impacts and promote the recovery of ecosystems. Number 5. Climate change mitigation. Addressing climate change is essential for conservation of communities as climate change can alter the distribution and abundance of species and can lead to the loss of important habitat. Mitigating climate change can involve reducing greenhouse gas emissions, promoting renewable energy, and adopting the impacts of climate change. Overall, the conservation of communities is essential for promoting biodiversity and ensuring that ecosystems continue to provide important ecosystem services by implementing conservation